So, we're just trying to balance this bird on everything around here.
You can't go in the dark, Willie.
Nope, can't balance from there. It's too big.
You got to tell them what you did, Willie.
It balanced on the cup.
It's barely on there.
Yeah, let's see if it balances on my finger.
Yep. Now, you got to go over here. Try it on that globe.
Well,
Bam! And that is Willie Foo Foo coming to you live.
alright. Oh.
Look, Mom, no hands. No hands. You gotta sign off. You gotta sign off. You gotta tell them bye. Later, till next time. This is Wild Man Willie.